दोस्तों नमस्ते। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू क्रिएट एंड हाउ टू जनरेट English sentence. We know that if to generate anything is a mental job. In the similar way, generating and creating sentence of English language is a mental job, and in initial stage and in the beginning stage, mental job is boring and complex and complicated. Then you should not be disturbed from creating a English language sentence. Suppose that if I have not material, then how to cook any food. But cooking any food, there is a necessary of material. In the same way, if I have not stock word of English language, how to create sentence of English language? Stock word play important role in creating English sentence. And before speaking on any issue, then you should write many times on same issue. By doing this, you will have more knowledge about same thing, and you will speak easily on the same issue. Hence, sentence generation play important role in any language. For doing, for it, you should read and write more English language book. You should read English newspaper for increasing English stock word. You should listen news in English language so that you improve your pronunciation. You should watch any movie in English language. This create in your mind visualization of English language. In this scenario, you have to do more and more. You should you should not escape from this job, because the speaking is a skill. Speaking is a art. It can be developed, it can be improved, it can be enhanced. Any person who have interest in English language and have emotion and have love in English language, such person will not be feel the boring, and such person will create and generate English sentence easily and simple way. Then you should try more and more for achievement this goal. This is a primary condition for. Suppose that creation sentence and generation sentence is the precondition for speaking any language. Suppose if there is no idea in your mind, then your mouth will be not able to speak the idea in your eye. Hence, therefore, the idea is very necessary, and such idea should be created in your mind. On then this idea comes out through your mouth. Then you should creating any idea in your mind is important. If your mind is unable to create any sentence in your mind, then your mouth will be not able to speak the idea, and your mind will be empathy. दोस्तों नमस्ते, यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को दोस्त सब्सक्राइब